this tutorial, we are going to see some of the improvements added to PDF tables starting with Xojo 2022 Release 4. The first addition is Merge Cells for Row method to the PDF table data source class interface. This method lets the PDF table instance know which cells we want to merge for every row in the table. As you can see from its signature, it receives as parameters the current row number in the row variable and also an array named cells to merge. This is the array where we'll be able to add new cell range instances to the set of cells of the row that we want to merge. For example, we will merge all the cells or columns on every even row. So we can create a new cell range instance ranging from 0 to 4, and that's it, the total number of 5 columns of our example table. The second improvement is also a new method added to the PDF table data source class interface. The completed method that provides as parameters the last x and y values used in drawing the table. As you can guess, this method will be called once the table has been drawn, and because it receives the last x and y values used, it becomes very handy in order to add new content to the PDF document just below it, especially when the drawing of the table has been spread several pages that had been added to the PDF automatically. In our example, we will use this method to draw the drawing table completed sentence just below the table in the resulting PDF document. We will use the X value as received, so the text is drawn using the same left margin that the one used in the drawing of the table, while we add 20 points to the received Y value to draw the text with a bit of vertical margin just below the table itself. The third improvement made has the form of two new properties available in the PDF table class. These are top margin and bottom margin. As you can guess, you can use these properties to set the top and bottom margins when drawing the table on the PDF page. The best part is that the PDF document will take care of all of it when you're automatically adding new pages to the PDF document based on values, plus the height of every row of the table to be drawn. And that's it. You don't need to do any kind of calculations in order to get your table into the PDF document, even when the table spreads several pages. So if we run our example application with these improvements in place and click on the Create PDF button, we can see how every even row in the table has just one cell, as we wanted, plus the top and bottom margins set on the table in every page of the document. And if we look at the end of the document, we can see how the drawing table completed text has been added just after the table in the position we wanted. And that was based on the X and Y values received in the completed method of the PDF table data source class interface. So in summary, adding tables to a PDF document is now even more flexible, so you can better suit your needs when you're adding tables to your PDF documents created with Xojo.